the Indian Motorcycle Riders Group of Oklahoma City. Our sponsor is Scott Conway, and our president is John Wozniak Jr.
Hi, I'm John Wozniak Jr., hosting another Caddy Cat video production. Today, we're here to offer you, from all of us, a very Merry Christmas. And what follows next is actually going to be some footage that was shot at the Indian Motorcycle of Oklahoma dealership at their annual Christmas party. All of our thanks to the Conway family, and Merry Christmas to everybody. In the spirit of legendary motorcycle enthusiast Oscar Hedstrom, George M. Hendy, Irwin George Cannonball Baker, T.E. Lawrence, Ed Kretz Jr., and Burt Monroe, we are committed to the goals of the Indian Motorcycle Company. We support Indian Motorcycle Company's goals of promoting friendship and goodwill to all motorcycle enthusiasts. We honor our past, its historic legacy, while powering the future. Membership in the Indian Motorcycle Riders Group is open to all who ride.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look in the 5 and 10, glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well, the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Soon the bells will start, and the thing that'll make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
In every
Merry Christmas.
store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
on your own front door. Sure, it's Christmas once more.
Hi, Catty Cat. That means that you go somewhere, just do it.